In 1991, Sony introduced the revolutionary MVS-8000 switcher. One of the world's first fully digital switchers, the MVS-8000 made its mark as a feature-rich, easy-to-use production tool, with the added benefit of being upgradable from composite to component digital. When Sony decided to enter the live switcher market in 1995, it introduced the MVS-8000 series, switchable from composite to component digital. The 7000 series featured a fully integrated control panel for both switcher operation and digital effects. This groundbreaking switcher design also allowed users some degree of customization, with the ability to move key control panel modules to different locations. In 1998, building on the design of the 7000 series, Sony introduced the world's first large-scale HD production switcher, the HDS-7000. This pioneering innovation began the HD revolution, which Sony continues to lead. But as Sony's engineers looked to the future, they found that design flexibility is at least as important as switcher functionality. In response, they designed the Sony MVS-8000 platform. Intended to accommodate ongoing advances in production techniques and manufacturing technology. The 8000 was the first switcher system with a completely modular control panel and the ability to switch between SD and HD formats in a single chassis design. The 2001 launch of the MVS-8000 series accelerated HD production throughout the world. In 2004, this modular concept was carried forward with the introduction of the MVS-8000A processor, which, among other major innovations, reduced frame size, power consumption, and weight. Today, the 8000 platform continues to evolve with the MVS-8000G processor, designed to meet the increased need for multi-format production. Boasting all the features of the 8000A, the MVS-8000G adds input and output, up, down, and cross conversion, in addition to adding digital effects on every keyer. Your Sony representative can show you how the broad range of MVS-8000 components can be arranged to create the perfect solution for your production needs today and your organization's growth for the future. The MVS-8000 platform consists of a family of modular building blocks, which include switcher processors, control panels, digital effects, device control, and remote management. In order to meet the needs of your business, we have several processors available. For HD and multi-format operations, Sony offers the MVS-8000G and MVS-8000GSF. The 8-rack unit 8000G supports up to 4 mix effects banks with up to 80 inputs and 56 outputs. The 4-rack unit 8000GSF supports up to 2.5 MEs and up to 34 inputs and 24 outputs. Both processors incorporate fully featured MEs, each with 4 keyers with digital video resizers, border generators, and advanced chroma key, all as standard. And an advanced frame memory system, including 8 channels of still and clip recording and playback with audio, available as an option. Also available are format converters, including up, down, and cross conversion for both inputs and outputs. And color correction, featuring RGB and 6-vector correction modes. And both processors offer Sony's unique side flags feature, which makes managing multiple aspect ratios easier without tying up valuable keyer resources, as well as Sony's powerful multi-program technology, which allows splitting a single ME into as many as 4 sections. The MVS-G system is available as a full multi-format HD system, as well as in an SD-only version, which can be easily upgraded with the purchase of additional software. And for customers committed to standard definition production, Sony offers the DVS-9000 processor, which offers a feature set similar to that of the MVS-G series. To avoid the limitations of a fixed layout control panel, the MVS series was designed with a completely modular panel. This allows the layout of the control panel to be changed at any time, whether for production requirements or operator preferences. It also future-proofs your switcher. Sony MVS series control panels are field expandable. This means that a customer who owns a 3ME switcher can easily upgrade to a 4ME switcher by simply purchasing the additional components. And the modular control panel has one additional benefit. New modules can be created to add new features to the switcher. This design allows Sony to offer a variety of crosspoint modules, transition modules, and other modules, all based on users' needs. While the vast majority of live operations are controlled from the panel itself, a Linux-based color touchscreen panel is also provided. In addition to the modular control panel, Sony also offers an ultra-compact 1ME or 2ME control panel, which is ideal for fly packs, backbench work, or other applications where space is at a premium. Up to 4 control panels of any size can be connected simultaneously to a single switcher processor. Sony's worldwide leadership in digital effects allows us to offer multiple digital effects solutions for your MVS-G system. Included as standard on every full ME is a digital video resizer on each keyer. This basic effects engine enables simple picture manipulation, including X and Y position, size, and aspect adjustments. Borders, beveled edges, shadow, mosaic, and defocus are also standard features. To move beyond basic effects, features such as rotation, perspective, lighting, and nonlinear effects are available in our companion digital effects systems, the MVE-8000A and the MVE-9000. Today's competitive production environment requires seamless integration with a host of external devices, such as VTRs, disc recorders, audio consoles, and a variety of others. The Sony MVS-G platform interfaces with many of these devices using industry-standard protocols, such as Sony BVW, eSAM, GPI, P-Bus, and VDCP. Also, advanced router and tally interfaces are available for a variety of popular routing systems. For facilities which require linear online editing capabilities, Sony offers its plug-in editor option, which adds the familiar BVE editor controls and interface to the MVS-8000G. For the ultimate in remote interface, Sony's System Manager enables an ordinary PC to connect to the MVS system, providing remote diagnostics, setup, file transfer, and graphic import-export. In this program, you'll find a thorough explanation of the MVS-8000G switcher, its features, benefits, and operation, and a special segment which addresses some common engineering topics. After you've explored these video segments, it's time to ask your Sony representative about the ways in which the revolutionary MVS-8000G can transform your facility.